Hello, Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today with my latest listing here in the fastest growing part of Fort Wayne, Northwest Allen County. Let's step inside and check it out. The first thing you're gonna notice when you come in this home is how big it is. You got the vaulted ceilings, the open layout. It's a 2-story, and you got a primary on the main, and it's the largest home in the addition. Picture yourself on this deck, enjoying a summer barbecue with your closest friends and this view. Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty, Keller Williams. If you have any questions about this listing, feel free to give me a call today.